Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your 6th unit second poem, that is where the mind is without fear. So where the mind without fear. So in our daily life we feel many fears and we have many responsibilities, and if we think something, I mean some type of feelings, we will our mind get feared. So this is all about this poem, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. So the head is held high. So if we think some of the problems, we will feel that how should I get out from this problem. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments, where the knowledge is free, okay, knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up, world is not broken up into fragments. No, we are all same, and we have, I mean, we all should be together, okay, by narrow domestic walls, okay, where words come out from the depth of the truth. So the words comes out from the depth of the truth, that is that, I mean, the where the truth is present, the words come out, okay, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has no lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever winding throughout the action, into that heavens of freedom, my father, let my country awake. So here this poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore is a very famous poet, no? So he is telling that freedom should be there. Freedom should not be taken by other people. Okay, where that is we have knowledge to earn, okay, so don't take the freedom of other people, do what you want and what your mind say. And here the Rabindranath Tagore is telling that taking the freedom from other person is not a good thing, okay, we should not take the freedom from other persons, and we should enjoy our freedom, and we should do what we think, because if anyone forced to do something and if we will do, we don't have any satisfaction, so we do not get good results, and it will this failure come up in our minds, and what happens is that we think ourselves as a loser, okay, so do what you want and ask your parents to allow what you want to do, okay. And finally in the last line he said that my father let my country awake. So in our country there are so many people, they are not allowing girls to educate, they are not allowing the children to do somewhat which is different. So if father likes to become her child doctor, he forced the child to become a doctor only, but the child is interested in dancing or painting or something. Here the the what we will say, the goal of the children is becoming daily becoming down, and here force is becoming very up. So here it automatically our freedom is lost, okay. So here my father led country awake. So this is all about this poem. It is a very nice poem, hope you understand. Thank you.